2026 is coming fast. And if you're not planning your products now, by the time January hits, you're gonna be screwed. And here's the thing, I'm not talking about launching t-shirts. See, there's over 23 million shirts on Etsy, and for the past 2 years, they've been on a steady decline. So stop trying to make Fetch the next cool thing, and let me show you 5 products that are going to explode in 2026. Now let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Product 1 is pajamas. But I'm not just talking about any sort of pajamas. I'm talking about Bachelorette PJs. And if you watched any of my previous videos, then you already know one of my niches is weddings. And I'm telling you right now, weddings make me a ton of money. So let me break this down for you. This one right here, okay, in just 21 months has brought in over $600,000. Have another one, 17 months, $464,000. And as you can see in here with this trend, right, for the past 12 months, you have more green than red, which is always a positive, especially going into the new year. Now, here's the thing with PJs. You're not just gonna have one person wearing them. This is for bachelorette parties, meaning they're not just buying one for the bride. So some of these revenues here are probably triple, maybe even quadruple. And to be honest, we don't know how much money they're making, but we also don't know how much money they're spending. Either way, it is a massive market. Let me show you just this one here, okay? In just the 12 months, it sold over 3,400 of them. Even just last month alone, 472. There is not a single day that they didn't make a sale. Now, as you see, it shows a slight decline, and that's just because we're about to enter into the holidays. Most people aren't getting married around Christmas. But as soon as January hits, you're gonna see this thing skyrocket. And that's because people start planning their weddings, especially for spring and summer. Now, the great thing about this is you can easily get these right here from Printify. You have complete entire sets. You also have just the pants, and you have this one here with the little shorts. And the fact that these are all over print makes it even better because you can customize them with any color that you want. Not to mention, you'll be able to actually put words anywhere. So instead of just relying on something that says bride over the top right or maybe top left, you could put something on the back, on the sleeves, or even the butt that says taken now. Probably don't do that though, but you never know, could be a big seller. Now the next one is hats. These have always been great sellers and they're so undervalued. For some odd reason, people just overlook them each and every single time. And checking out Everbee here for the past 24 months, you can see all the green. This one's up 50%, this one's up 3,700, this one skyrocketed, which is only 7 months old. And look how much money it's already brought in. Now, of course, with hats, there is some different ones that you can offer. You can have embroidery, you can have ones with leather patches, and you can even have the puff print. Now, the great thing again is that these are offered right from Printify, and you have a ton of different options. This goes even further than just the PJs. You have the snapback hat, you have a trucker hat, you even have this little bucket hat. Then of course, denim and the dad hats. Dad hats were very popular in 2025 and still, even going into 2026, these two will continuously bring you money. But scrolling down just a little bit further here, you'll see this one, right? This is the new one. And it actually lets you design all the way across. And the embroidery is amazing, okay? Because this is offered from Printful. As you may have remembered a while ago, Printify and Printful teamed up, which means more products, great quality, and allowing you the option to literally dominate everybody else that doesn't use these suppliers. Not to mention, while I was at Amplified, I actually got to go to the Printful facility, and everything there is seriously hand-stitched, handmade. No machines, no robotic arms picking things up. An actual person is laying out your product, making sure it's printed or embroidered perfect each and every single time. So if you ever want embroidery and you find something that's coming from Printful, I'll guarantee you right now, it's the best quality that you're gonna see from a POD partner. Now next after that is Activewear. Now I don't know if you've been living under a rock, but you have things like Lululemon and Aloe completely taking over markets. Lululemon alone is worth 20 billion and Aloe is worth 10 billion already. They really blew up in 2022. So within 3 years, they've just dominated the market, and so can you. Even jumping on here for Shopify, you see 20 trending products and things to sell in 2026. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see number 8 is Activewear. and it's for leggings and shorts. Now, the crazy thing is, a while back, I actually made a video that those unique, wild designs on leggings were going nuts and people were spending a ton of money. You're talking $40, $50, $60 for a pair of leggings. Now, I know compared to Lululemon and Aloe, that's cheap. But for a traditional person that's selling apparel in that way, it's pretty good. And that means very good margins, which means more money in your pocket. And if you missed that video, then definitely go check it out. It's right here. But in the meantime, just to give you a little bit of a hint and a rundown, that company was making $3,000 a day. And when I say was, it's because they actually couldn't keep up with the demand. So they went out of business. Yes, this company right here from an article from 2025, Beloved, went out of business selling these because they couldn't keep up with the demand. And if you go through their reviews, they're rated 1.2. All the reviews saying that the item just didn't arrive, didn't ship, they didn't get it. And to be honest, I don't get how they could have fucked that up so bad. You're making $3,000 a day with leggings, over $1 million in revenue, and you couldn't keep up with your demand, which honestly isn't a problem because we have Printify. Going in there, as you can see, we can customize these. We have capris, we have regular stretchy ones, we have these ones that are the casual leggings, all the way down to the spandex and even ones for babies. Now here's the thing, it is a little bit of a curve on trying to design these. It's not you just slap the design on there and you're good. Because with all over print, you kind of have to make sure that everything lines up. And when you're creating that design, you're doing it on the left leg, the right leg, the waistband, so on and so forth. Now, the crazy thing is I actually created one of these. Well, actually, my wife made it. I had her design it. And if you want to learn more on how to sell this and how to market it, take over this entire niche, then make sure you join me for a free webinar. Wednesday, December 3rd at 12 p.m. Eastern. And I'm going to be hosting it inside the Sellers Club. And I'll leave a link below for you to check it out. And again, it's completely free. So why the fuck not join it and learn how to make some money, right? Okay, so now going on to the next product, spring dresses. I bet you this is one that you would have never guessed. But look at how much money some of these are making. Not to mention all this green. Look at that. And the funny thing is, going over to Shopify, it even says, it's number 6, dresses. It went up 46% in 2025, and they expect it to grow even more going into 2026. So if you start offering these type of items, you could see growth like this going into 2026 as well. Now, I've already done the research for you, so you don't have to. Solid colors are huge, but also floral. Now, I don't mean just plaster some shitty design on there and flowers everywhere and just it looks like somebody puked on it. Give it a nice, elegant look. Make it flow, make it sundressy. Because remember, this is for the spring and summer. This is when people will be wearing it. So if you start planning it now and start adding this to your store, the algorithm will start picking this up and know what you make, what you sell, and who you're trying to target, and they'll put you in front of the right people. And if you want to know more about the top trending colors that are gonna hit 2026, then make sure you join my school community. It's literally only $1 a month. And we have people in there that have taken my course, which is 35 hours, and within months are already hitting $10,000 to $20,000 a month in revenue. Yes, and that is not a joke. So honestly, I hope to see you in there so that I can guide you to financial freedom. Now with that said, let's jump into this last product here. This one, woven pillows. And there's some other sneaky little pillows here that you can add as well. But you may have already seen me make a video with a woven pillow. Yep, I tried to make this. I'm not the best at designing. I thought it was beautiful. I still think it's beautiful. Wife hasn't put it on the couch yet, so maybe it's just not. But either way, I tried. As everybody knows that has watched my YouTube, I am a marketer. I can market any sort of product and sell it. My design skills really are reliant on AI and if it understands what the heck I'm saying. But for you guys out there that I know have design skills up the ass and could put out award-winning things, this is the type of product that you can make a killing with. And just to show you here, again, all of this green. This is what you want to see when you're looking at the last 12 months or last 24 months. Because unlike shirts that was all red, this shows that the trend's going up. knocked down. And some of these here, like this one, this is a 4 set. They sold 218 in just the past month. Or how about this one, boho, okay? Which is a style that you can actually make yourself. Checking it out, it's nothing crazy. 26 months, 620 sales. And going back to Everbee here, you could see past 12 months, it sold 408. And then the past month, you had 47 sales. Going through, there's only just a couple days that they didn't receive any money. And just to show you that it's not a fluke, going over here to this green woven one, in the past 12 months, they sold 300 of them. And if you think to yourself, well, they're probably not making much money, going down to one of the most popular sizes right here, 18 by 18, they have it on sale right now for $45. Not to mention, they're actually charging shipping. And it comes from Turkey, meaning that the consumer is going to be waiting for this product. Who knows how long it's going to take to get there? And that's where your advantage comes in. Because yeah, you could sell this for $45 if you want, or you can sell it for $50 or $60 because you're guaranteeing faster shipping because it's shipping in the United States. Now, another one I just want to point out here is custom shaped pillows. Right here, as you can see, again, all green. And these things are amazing. I love them. As you scroll down, you have all these different ones. And the best part about it is Printify legit sells it. Now, the thing with this is it does come from China. It will take a little bit longer, but so does everybody else's that's selling it. However, the great part about this is this price point, $7.21 for the pillow. And as you saw, some of these places were selling for 20, 30 bucks. Not to mention, I actually saw one on Facebook ads that sold it for 60. And their ad was amazing. It actually showed the dog getting handed their own pillow that looked like them, and he tore it apart. It made you laugh, it made you smile, and it made you click. And they were selling that pillow for 60 bucks a pop. And because of that great advertisement, people were buying, which means you only have to sell one of those pillows compared to this person selling 2 or 3. That's the value of marketing your item correctly. And if you're not sure how to do that, then make sure you go through my other videos. I legit teach you how to market your product in every video I launch. And if you'd rather me host an event where I actually teach you in a live scenario, then drop a comment below and let me know. Because I'm here for you. I want to teach you how to make money because I want to see you become successful so we can party our asses off in 2026. If you have any questions about any of these products, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.